Guys, I want to show you this privacy wall that I received from the company. This is an artificial plant that you could put up to provide privacy along a fence and really just give your yard or your space like a greenery look without having to worry about buying the plant and letting it, get full and fill up the space. So it's good for all different weather. We live in the Northeast. We get a ton of snow and rain and wind and all that. And it's going to just withhold that and blend right into our yard, like very seamlessly. So this is what it looks like out of the box. And it does come with directions, how to cut it and then put it along the fence, as well as these zip ties. So everything that you need comes with it all together. Once we get it up, I'll do another video, but I wanted to give you a closer look at what it looks like. It's big, you get a lot in here. And then it does have this like backing to help secure it. So it's super easy to do. It is going to give just that greenery look, really simple, that you don't have to worry about. I definitely recommend this if you're looking for something like an artificial plant that has no maintenance, that's going to provide your yard some privacy.